Okay, so this was a pour that I did quite a while back on a 18 by 24 canvas, and I cut up scrap canvases with fluid acrylic pours on them and come up with a design. Kind of worked through it for quite a while here, and so I'm basically just going to glue it all down, let it dry for a week or so, and then go over it with resin. So if you want to just watch me kind of assemble it, I'm using glue all, multi-purpose, stronger formula kind of thing, and I'm just going to brush it on and glue it. So enjoy watching. Okay, so this is the finished canvas. I came back in and went around all the details with a black extra fine tip writer, the Deco Art, and Greg built the frame that I painted, and so the canvas is attached to the frame, and then I sealed around the edges with clear silicone caulk that's waterproof and all that, and that will keep any resin from going between the canvas frame and the canvas. And like I said, I added the black outline just to give it almost a little bit more of a stained glass effect. And so now I've mixed up about 16 ounces of resin. I'm hoping it'll be enough. If not, I can put another coat on after this is cured. I'm in my kitchen to do this because I just didn't have the space upstairs on my table. And so we're going to see if I can get this accomplished without making a big mess in my kitchen. I don't have extra good lighting in here, so I'm going to have to kind of go at it from all angles to make sure I get coverage, and I think I'm just going to have to use my hands. I meant to put something under the canvas and totally forgot about that. There's always something you forget to do. The frame is raised above the canvas, maybe about 1/4 of an inch at the most. So just enough to be a lip. Okay, I am gonna go get a board to put under the canvas, if I can do it without messing this up totally. Okay, I know it's not going to be perfect, but I'm going to cover it and leave it. I'll be back when it's done.